Welcome to our journey into the vibrant world of the Gospel of Mark. Imagine a story that starts with urgency and action, pulling you right into the center of ancient events. Picture this: John the Baptist, a voice in the wilderness, prepares the way and baptizes Jesus, marking the start of a profound spiritual journey.
Immediately after Jesus begins gathering followers, ordinary people like fishermen, telling them they'll be fishers of people. This is where Mark's fast-paced narrative really kicks off.
In these opening chapters, Jesus performs miracles, stunning the crowds with his authority. He heals the sick, casts out demons, and even cleanses a leper, showing his compassion and divine power.
Imagine witnessing these acts, which leave everyone asking, "Who is this man?" This question echoes throughout Mark and invites us to explore the identity of Jesus.
Mark chapters 1 to 4 also dive deep into Jesus' teachings. He uses parables, like the famous parable of the sower in chapter 4, to reveal truths about the kingdom of God.
In this parable, seeds fall on different types of soil, symbolizing how various people receive the message. This creates a powerful metaphor about our own openness to spiritual truths.
One key verse, Mark 1:11, captures a pivotal moment. "You are my beloved Son. With you I am well pleased." This divine declaration during Jesus' baptism sets the tone for his entire ministry. When Jesus calms a storm in Mark 4:39, it's more than a miracle. It's a sign of his control over creation, leaving his disciples and us pondering the depths of his power. Join us as we continue exploring these dynamic tales, seeing Jesus not just as a historical figure, but as a powerful presence that continues to impact lives. The opening of Mark's Gospel is just the beginning of an adventure that beckons with wonder and promises transformation. Stay curious and let's delve deeper into this remarkable story.